Thinking about deleting your Instagram account permanently? Here's exactly how to do it, fast and easy. Open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap Account Center, then go ahead and select Manage Accounts. Next, tap Manage next to the account you want to delete. After that, tap Deactivation or Deletion to continue. Now choose Delete Account, then tap Continue. At this point, you'll see a message saying your Instagram account info will be deleted. Go ahead and tap Continue. Then select a reason for deleting your account and tap Continue again. Once you've done that, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap Continue. Afterward, enter your password and tap Continue. Finally, tap Delete Account to confirm, and you're all set. If you found this helpful, like the video and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.